How to identify a venomous snake. 8 essential tips. Welcome here. And if you are new here, kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more info like this. Whether you're hiking, gardening, or exploring nature, knowing how to tell the difference between a venomous and non-venomous snake can help you stay safe. Here's a simple, practical guide to help you recognize danger before it strikes. 1. Look at the head shape. Venomous snakes often have a triangular or arrow-shaped head, wider than the neck due to venom glands. But beware, some harmless snakes mimic this shape when threatened. 2. Don't be fooled by imitators. Many non-venomous snakes flatten their heads to look more dangerous. Head shape alone is not a guarantee. Stay cautious. 3. Check the eyes safely. Venomous snakes usually have vertical, slit-like pupils like a cat's eye. Non-venomous snakes typically have round pupils. Only observe if it's safe, never get too close. 4. Look at the bite marks if bitten. A venomous bite often leaves 1 or 2 deep puncture wounds. A non-venomous bite may leave a U-shaped row of small teeth marks. Seek medical help no matter what. 5. Know the symptoms of envenomation: swelling, sharp, spreading pain, redness, or bruising. These signs suggest venom. Call emergency services immediately. 6. Keep your distance. Never try to touch, pick up, or kill a snake, even if it looks harmless or dead. Most bites happen when people get too close. 7. Remember the snake's features if someone is bitten. Try to remember color, pattern, size. This helps medical professionals choose the right treatment. 8. Learn the snakes in your region. Each area has its own snake species. Educate yourself on the local venomous and non-venomous snakes where you live or travel. Knowledge is your best defense.